So you heard that I was going to explain about the TRVL booking engine, and you wanted to hear more about it. Let's go. Hey, how you doing? My name's Kawan Money Mayo, successful online entrepreneur, 6-7-figure earner, top affiliate, multiple companies. And hey, today I'm going to tell you exactly what you get with travel, the real vacation lifestyle booking engine. Okay. All right. So your exclusive membership is only private booking engine combines a world-class accommodations options with unbeatable member-only pricing that is not available to the general public. Tired of shopping around for the best deal? Ever notice that all the big online travel brands all shout about sales prices and savings, but after clicking through endless pages, you realize they all have pretty much the same prices? That ends now. Shop for millions of accommodations, choices from all around the world with complete confidence, as our special member-only pricing brings you pricing that the big brands can't touch. So basically, you're going to be getting wholesale pricing. Okay, because when you go to the booking sites, and that's whether it's Travelocity, Booking.com, Expedia, they're all the same. They all, believe it or not, they're all owned by two companies. That's it. And if they do it, they adjust the prices a little bit, just to make it seem like you're getting a deal here, over there. But if you ever notice, it's not really by much. It might be a little $5 here, $20 here, but never by much. Whereas with TRVL, you're going to be able to get wholesale pricing. Okay, and that's the difference, and that's the reason why that it's going to be a significant amount cheaper, because we don't have to pay for the big old advertising budgets and billboards and the commercials and all that, and we can offset that and give y'all the best price. All right, without member-only hotels enabled, your exclusive member-only booking engine combines world-class accommodations options with over 2 million hotel choices from around the planet. Okay, easily explore destinations and accommodation options, and easily find unique properties or specific requirements to best suit your unique travel style, allowing you to create a bespoke accommodations experience that's perfect for you. Okay, so you'll be able to take advantage of the deeply discounted hotels that we have around the world as well. Okay, actually, our biggest savings actually comes from flights and hotels, especially the hotels. You'll really see deep discounts in the hotels. Okay, so let's talk about flights. You get to complete your travel experience with our flight engine. We search the world for special deals on flights, short and long, local and international. We work with virtually every carrier and offer significant savings with our international network of unpublished fares and discounts. Okay, so that's the flight side of things. Now let's talk about cruises. Our members enjoy world-class cruise selections, unparalleled choice, and special member savings and offers. Our special booking engine allows you to easily find your best experience from tens of thousands of cruises across thousands of destinations and itineraries. All right, so as I said, you're going to get the best price compared to the retail prices. Now you have other travel clubs, so they might offer different deals and specials to their members, right? That might even be better than ours. It just depends. You might be a part of American Express Club or something like that, right? The Platinum Club. So you might have different things, but for the general public, all right, for the average person that's going to a regular site like Expedia, Travelocity, and things like that, then yes, we have the best price. And the nice thing is, if we can't find you the best price, or if you find a price cheaper, then we're going to match the price. Or if we can't match it, then we're going to actually give you 110% of the difference, and you can use that on future travels. Okay. Vacation rentals. Looking for something a little different? Looking for a more family-oriented accommodation experience? We have you covered with the best in self-catering and private accommodation rentals. Our portfolio of professionally managed resort properties offers stunning value with big savings over retail pricing, and offer larger accommodations for families or groups, and usually full self-catering facilities. Now, the vacation rentals is nice because these are more like villas, something where, maybe have a kitchen or have a living room, it just feels a little bit more homely, you know what I mean? And as for cruises, we have our members enjoy world-class cruise selections, unparalleled choices, and special member savings and offers. Our special booking engine allows you to easily find your best experience from tens of thousands of cruises across thousands of destinations and itineraries. Now, I actually used this the other day, and it was nice because it actually pulled up some very, very, very affordable cruises. You know, I'm not talking about thousands, I'm talking about hundreds. And when you did spend thousands, it was actually for a suite. So when I compared it to another cruise site, it was like, it was going to cost $1,000 per person for a regular room, and I have found it for $300, a little bit over $300 per person. And when you got the $1,000 choice, it was actually for a suite. So real awesome with that as well. When you get to our activities, this assures you to experience the very best of every destination with our activities portfolio. We bring you the best in global activities, admissions, experience, and transportation options, no matter how far flung your destination might be. Now, with the activities, it's nice because a lot of times we book trips, and after you book the trip, then what? Like, what do you do, right? You're not from this place, so you have to rely on, tourist brochures and things like that. And sometimes some things could be overpriced because you're not going to know, right? This is the only way that you know to even have this experience. So they can upsell you on this, and how would you know, or what would you feel is a fair price? So we're putting together different experiences for you to be able to enjoy on your trip, and making sure that you have the best price possible. Okay, and last but not least, that brings us to member support and services. Best of all you have the peace of mind of knowing that you have a dedicated team of travel specialists that are available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, here to help you pre, during, and after your travel for help, advice, or a helping hand when you need it most. Now, the nice thing is you also have a concierge service, right? And that concierge service will book your flights for you. You know what I mean? Look up your trips, look up your shows, check your itinerary, so forth and so on. Basically, it's your personal liaison, and you have that as well. So this is our booking engine broken down, and you can even see it right here to see just how professional everything looks, and how easy it is, and ease of use, to be able to get through, all right, navigate, and be able to book your hotels, cars, cruises, and vacation rentals. So I hope this was a good breakdown for you. If you're ready to get started with TRVL, the real vacation lifestyle, then you can hit the link below where you see that TRVLelite.now.site. Or if you got questions, I got answers. Call me 619-306-9453. I love to answer your questions you have. Also, if you want to be able to stay in the loop, you want to keep track of what I got going on with this company, and then when they have updates, you get those updates in real time, then just text TRVL to 702-553-3326. All right. And then, I'll give you that. Also, I don't know if you've been paying attention, but how could you miss it? You see that QR code up there? All right. So what that is that's a list of all my top passive income opportunities. So all you got to do is just scan that, and boom, you get an instant list. If that's what you're interested in and want to see what else I got going on. All right. All right. So if you haven't already done so, hey, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell. That way you get notified when I do these videos. And hey, I'll see you on the next one. Appreciate you. Have a blessed day.